So what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily book G1 test on Ontario. So all you have to do is head over to Ontario's website on ontario.ca. So in the search bar, we're just going to search for G1 test, then press enter. So from the list of search results, just click on get a G driver's license for new drivers. There's a note here that says if you're at least 16 years old, you can apply for driver's license in Ontario. And if we scroll down, we can see here in the where to apply section that to apply and take the required knowledge test, you can visit a drive test center. Appointments are not required. We also have an option here, the Service Ontario Bay and College location in downtown Toronto, but this is by appointment. And to find a drive test center, you can click on this. So from here, you can see the nearest drive test center you can go on to get your G1 test. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye!